Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. In today's fast-paced world, the best time to send a document to your customer or student is the very second they ask for it. Why wait to manually email a quote, a receipt, or a study guide? With Smart Form Publisher, the moment they click Submit, the work is already done. In your command center, head over to the Mail settings. To automate delivery, simply tell the add-on which form question asks for the respondent's email address. Smart Form Publisher will use this address to route the generated document directly to their inbox without you ever lifting a finger. But we don't just send a generic email. You can use markers in the subject line and the body of the message to make every delivery feel personal. By using the same double curly brace tags from your template, you can address your respondents by name and reference their specific data, building trust and professionalism instantly. The result? Your respondent gets a high-quality, personalized email with their document attached while the request is still fresh in their mind. Whether you're sending one document or 1,000, Smart Form Publisher ensures every delivery is accurate and perfectly timed. Stop wasting time on manual follow-ups and start delivering value instantly. Install Smart Form Publisher today and let your workflow do the talking. Visit gwaddons.com to see what else you can automate.